What's going on, everyone? Today I've got the Emax Babyhawk Pro. This is a 4-inch quad. That's right, 4 inches. Definitely something that's a little bit different than we've seen before. Lots of 5 inchers, lots of 3 inchers out there. You don't see many 4 inchers, and this, well, spoiler alert, love it. It's awesome. Lots of fun to fly. It is super durable. Emax makes great stuff. Well, let's take a look at this. Why I really like it so much. Stay tuned. All right, so let's get this Babyhawk R Pro 4-inch quad up in the air, and you can see how the Caddx camera performs. You can see how it performs a little bit. Now, I am not pushing it here. I'm just kind of taking it easy, doing a little bit of freestyle, having a little bit of fun. But honestly, I really love this thing. My biggest complaint is probably the receiver. I didn't get really good range. You can see the RSSI there, not super high. I'm just flying kind of in between those trees. I know, again, not the best placement for me, but I feel like I should be able to get some better reception. Maybe an XM Plus, RXSR, Crossfire, all of those will do better than the receiver that comes with it, but it gets the job done, and it's a quick and easy way. If you're looking for a 4-inch or even a 5-inch, I would recommend this over that because, like I said before, it is quieter, it is smaller, it's easier to kind of just get and go. Really love this thing. Enjoy. This is the Emax Babyhawk R Pro. This is a 4-inch quad. That's right, 4-inch propellers, not 5, not 3, but maybe this is the unknown sweet spot. It is quieter, it is smaller, but it has a whole lot of performance. Love flying this thing freestyle. In fact, I take this thing out now instead of my 5 inches. Let's talk about what this is. So first, let's take a look at these motors. They're 1606 motors here, and yes, they can fly on 4 or 6S. So if you have a 6S battery, a small one, yeah, this thing will really rip. You can download the 6S profile from Emax's website if you haven't done that. Anyway, let's talk a little bit more about this thing. You know, Emax does some little things really nice. This carbon fiber has some really cool designs, as you can see here. And if you break an arm, you can replace it. And you know what? They even included a spare for you. That's right, yes, they gave you a spare in case you break it, because you're going to fly this thing a lot. And it is stiff, not to say that it's going to break, but you know, if you fly things enough, eventually they do. But just look at the little things. We got double capacitors there, which is really pretty cool. Comes with a nice Caddx camera there, pretty decent quality. Really, I like the build and feel of this. Emax does. They do their little things right. We've got a VTX in there that can do 200 milliwatts if you want. It does come locked, and it does come locked in 25 milliwatt mode, so you're going to have to hold down that button while you power it on, but that's easy enough. I did change this antenna. I put on my Fox Ear Lollipop because, again, I love flying this thing. I wanted to get slightly better reception rather than the standard dipole. It's an MMXC connector in there. Again, overall, really like this thing because it is smaller, it is quieter, it's easier to transport. Emax even gives you 2 extra sets of props. That's right, 3 full sets of props, and you get this 850 milliamp hour battery, which actually I found outperforms some of the other ones that I have, which is cool. But let's just kind of take a look. You know, when you compare it to a standard 5-inch, it's obviously smaller, right? We got a whole inch difference on the propellers, but in terms of performance, I'm not losing really, I don't think, anything. Let's take a look at it on the scale. So mine's checking in at 169 grams. Drop the battery on there. 269, so that's something to keep in mind. But really, really love flying this thing. I did both of these mods where I got the D8 receiver coming out the top, easily replaceable if you wanted to upgrade that to D16 or Crossfire or something like that. And then again, like I said, I put on this Fox Ear Lollipop. But yeah, absolutely love ripping this thing. And actually, I'm sad that it's raining today because I'd like to go outside and fly it some more. But hey, what do you think? What do you think about the 4-inch? Different size, not super common, but pretty awesome. At least that's my opinion. But I want to hear yours. What do you think about this thing? Would you be interested in buying one? Would you be interested in flying one? About 175, 180 bucks, so it's not cheap. But, you know, again, Emax does little things right. Gosh, even this battery strap is good. We got a rubber here. We got a grip there. Yeah, they do the little things right. That's why I love Emax stuff.